Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. Open your portrait and duplicate the layer. Mask the duplicate and erase areas for the dispersion. Create a new layer and pick a sand brush preset. Paint outward using different brush sizes. Then go to the filter and liquify to stretch the edges of the motion. Apply gradient map with orange and brown tones. Add motion blur to create direction. No duplicate dispersed parts and lower opacity for depth. Paint tiny particles for scattered effect. Now add a soft shadow under dispersion of realism. Adjust tone with color lookup. Enhance brightness and contrast for drawn.